In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ad account in Meta Business Manager. Creating an ad account is a straightforward process, but paying attention to detail ensures you're set up correctly from the start. Let's dive right into how you can do this in about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to access Meta for Business. You can easily find it by entering Meta for Business into your favorite search engine. Once you've reached the Meta Business homepage, it's time to log in. You have a few options here. You can log in using your email, Facebook account, or even through Instagram if that's how you usually connect. Choose the method that suits you best and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look for the settings icon, which is usually located at the top corner of the page. Click on that to access the various settings for your business. In the resulting menu, you'll see a sidebar on the left. You'll want to focus on the options here. Look for the Accounts section, and under that, you'll see Add Accounts. Select this option to take the next step in setting up your new ad account. Once you're in the Ad Accounts section, you'll notice an Add drop-down menu. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a few options. From these, select Create a New Ad Account. It's at this stage where you start to get things personalized for your business needs. You'll be prompted to enter specific details about your new ad account. Start by giving it a descriptive name. Make sure it's something that clearly identifies the necessity or use of the account, as this helps in organization later on. You'll also need to specify the correct time zone for your business. This is vital to ensuring your ads run at the optimal times. And don't forget to select the currency you'll use for ad spending. Once you have filled in these details, click Next to continue. Now, you'll need to choose the business portfolio you want this ad account to connect with. Whether it's your business or another partner's, this decision needs to align with your advertising goals. If the ad account is for your business, choose My Business. If it's for a partner, go with Another Business or Client. After making these selections, click on Create to finalize the setup of your ad account. But we're not quite finished. There's still one more crucial step: adding a payment method. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Make sure everything is accurate and double-check for any errors. Once you are done, click on Save to store your payment settings. And there you have it. You've successfully created an ad account in Meta Business Manager. By following these steps carefully, you'll be ready to start managing your ads and reaching your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.